Hello, welcome to KTA Quick and Order Recipes. I'm Chef Maka, and today we're going to make roasted kabocha pumpkin soup, one of my favorites. Cut pumpkin into 4 pieces. Rub with oil, salt and pepper. Roast in oven on 350 degrees until golden brown, about 30 minutes. Set aside and cool. Remove seeds and spoon out meat. In a large pot, add oil, saute onions, garlic, carrots, and celery until golden brown. Then add roasted pumpkin and stock. Season with cumin, salt and pepper, and simmer for 30 minutes. Then blend until smooth, add butter to taste. Squeeze with a little lime and eat with fresh cilantro. Over. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes. Mahalos!